Hello everyone. It kind of rained a little bit, so I waited until the rain is over and I just came out to enjoy the sunny weather. I am not actually feeling that well because I don't know if you have felt this, but my right heel, back of the right heel feels kind of numb. I feel like I have kind of something attached to me, or I feel like there's something around my ankle, but there actually isn't anything. So I don't know if there is anything wrong with my blood circulation. I had to pick up my cat. She's also talking. I didn't want her to catch the squirrel that I just showed you. I didn't tell you, but there was a squirrel. If you look carefully, you will see that. So there's nothing really interesting happening. I used to have a flu, so I have lost appetite. That is why I don't really bring that many food vlogs, because I am not actually eating that well. And also I have started a diet. It is not actually a diet, but I have monitored my calorie intake throughout few days. So I have noticed that I am actually eating than I should. I am not very physically active. I don't work out. I only do chores around the house. So I should be only eating around 1,800 calories. But I just wanted to make sure that I just document everything. So I just documented my calorie intake. So I usually take around 2,500 calories, sometimes 3,000 calories. That is too much for someone my size and my age. So I felt some joint pain also. That is why I started to monitor my calorie intake. I have lost weight before. I used to be 85 kilograms at one time, and I lost weight up to 50. My least was 52 kilograms. So I lost more than 30 kilograms, actually 33 kilograms. So I have done that. So I'm confident that I can actually lose that weight. So I am monitoring my calories. My goal is to eat around 1,500 calories. That is why my portion sizes are very small.